Hi, my name is Fernando Sergio Gil Ramirez, and I will talk about problems with customers. The first customers have had a bad experience in a cruise ship, and he mentioned the problem to trip was a small room, and the bad experience he had during the trip with the terrible food, and he also wanted to see the ocean, but the room didn't have windows. I think he feel angry because he paid a very expensive trip and feels sad when he saw the room and the cruise ship with terrible food. I think he will give 0 stars because he paid for a very expensive trip and he didn't see the ocean. Okay, this is the case too. It's about a problem with a bike. The problem with the bike is that it has a lot of pieces. Customers mentions that the bike has 100 pieces, but only comes with one page of instructions. He feels angry and confused because the bike needs fewer pieces and needs a lot. He doesn't he doesn't feel safe assembling the bike for his son's birthday. I think he will give 2 stars because the bike needs um, less pieces and more instructions. If I will be the owner of Bishop, my plan to solve the problem is first, I plan to apologize to the customers with a letter and offer a refund. Next, I will make changes to the rooms of cruise ship to improve the quality. Finally, I will speak with the customers in person and discuss their feedback on the cruise ship's rating. If I am the owner of the bike stores, first I will contact the customers directly to acknowledge the issue and offer a partial refund and discuss of the future purchase. Next, I will update the bike instructions by adding clear stops and diagrams. Finally, I will personally speak with the customers and understand their concerns and improve the future's bikes. Thanks.